Hello, today we're going to practice another sound. It's a sound oo. It's a special friend sound where two O's make an oo sound. My turn, your turn. Oo, 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 oo. Good, I've got a special picture to go with it. This one is a funny one. We've seen this one before. It's oo poo at the zoo, and the man is picking up elephant poo. Yuck. Oh. So when you see this, say poo at the zoo, and when you see this, say oo. Poo at the zoo. Ooh, your turn. Good. Fred's come out. We're going to do some Fred talking. Fred is going to whisper the word in my ear. I'm going to sound it out and you're going to say it. Z-oo. Zoo. S-t-oo-l. Stool. Your turn. M-oo-n. M-oo-d. S-p-oo-n. Last one. T-oo-l. Good. It's time to hide our oo in our packs. I'm going to hide it really, really well. Here we go. And see if you can say it. Ready? Say all the sounds as well. I, E, O, A, oo. Oh, again, well done. Oo, O, I, A, E, oo. Excellent. It's time to do our green, red and alien words. Our green words are white again today, so here we go. Let's do some Fred says, so we'll do it out loud. Ready? Special friend, oo. Oo-n, moon. Special friend, oo. S-t-oo-l, stool. Special friend, oo. P-oo-l, pool. Special friend, oo. F-oo-l, fool. Special friend, oo. M-oo-d, mood. Hope you're all in a good mood. Special friend, oo. Z-oo-zoo. Excellent. Let's do our red words that we've been learning this week. I'm not going to add a new one because it'd be really good to practice the ones we already know. I'm going to shuffle them once more and make sure that we know them really well. No. Go. So. Her. They. Saw. Be. Me. Was. We. Two. One. Down. My. Over. School. She. And were. Well done. It's now time for our alien words. Fred says, let's do some Fred in the head. So that means we're going to hold the sound in our head, sound it out, and when I push it out, say it. But we'll do special friends. Special friends, oo. Pluke. Oh, this one's a bit tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it in half, and we'll do it first one. Nip. Special friend, oo. Stood. Nip stood. That's a funny one. Here's another long one. So what we're going to do is we're going to split it in half again. Special friend, A, J. Special friend, oo. Good. J good. Special friend, oo. Sound it out. Swook. Special friend. Special friend. oo. Zook. Very good. That's the end of our sound lesson. What I would like you to do now is to go and do the sheet I've put on the files. You need to practice writing your oos. You need to practice reading the words and drawing the pictures. And then your 2 spelling words for today are stood and mood. So those are the 2 I would like you to write out. Remember to sound out with your fingers how you're doing. Next week, I'm going to also add hold a sentence as part of your Read Write Ink lesson. So look out for that. Okay, thanks again. Bye.